is my quite big pyramid. It took me quite a while to build. I'm gonna give you a tour of it. This is what it looks like from above. It's made out of stone slabs. I started building it out of stone slabs, then I got to sandstone. I thought of sandstone, but then I couldn't be bothered to mine it all again. This is inside. I haven't really done much, so I've just like finished it. So up here, I've got just some like beds and that. This is just a little kitchen with a absolutely huge sink. A fridge, some cookies and cake and that, and that's pretty much it, guys. See you.